Okay, here's my trailer. It's just sitting here. It's just sitting here, man. Somebody needs to be driving this around. You know, I'm doing stuff all the time. Hey, does anybody know anybody that lives along I-4? Like 1 million people a day drive back and forth there. There's a lot of places that sit real close to I-4 where all the cars would see it. Huh? Come on. Yeah, man, Greyhound racing been around for 100 years. Animal rights groups trying to take it away from you. I don't hear a lot of people screaming, but wait till they come after your hunting or your fishing. That's some cool art. Here comes Swifty. Oh, an asshole.
They're not going to know what it is. So that's chocolate test. The chemical is inside.
I gotta tell you, AJ, I love your shirt. Don't vote Unlucky 13. Got a reporter from Politico here at Sanford Orlando Kennel Club. Ground zero, baby. Fresh ground beef. Yummy. Pick a dog, any dog. They all love me. They love everybody. My Greyhound selfie. I'm doing a Greyhound selfie here, baby. I've met thousands of Greyhounds over the past 10 months and never even had one growl at me, not once. Hey, everything these animal rights groups have told you about Greyhound racing is a lie. I hope you guys don't get sick of hearing this, but Grey 2K raised $618,000 last year and only gave $5,000 of it to any adoption groups. They have an agenda, people. The Humane Society of the United States, people think that's a legit organization that helps animals. No. The Humane Society of the United States raked in $168 million last year and only gave 0.5% to any animal shelters. And the rest of it, they keep in the Cayman Islands, believe it or not. Animal rights groups want to abolish all animal ownership. Doesn't matter what it is. They don't want you to do horse racing, greyhound racing. They don't want you to go horseback riding. They don't want you to play frisbee with your dog in the park. They don't even want you to have a dog. These groups believe that animals should only be viewed from a distance and there should be no human-animal interaction whatsoever. So if you like going to the zoo or you like going to SeaWorld, because those places are under attack, if you like to hunt or fish or any of that stuff, man, vote no on 13. Because they're gunning for you. Every time these animal rights groups, people, get something passed, there's a little bit of verbiage written in their new laws that makes it even easier for them to come after you. They're slick, they're deceptive, and they know exactly what they're doing. Hey, listen, these animal rights activist idiots, they don't want you owning any animals, they don't want you eating any animals. They just want you to just sit there quietly and eat your tofu. We have 5 weeks until we vote, man. You people better hustle, man. They're getting to the point now where all they have to say is, it's inhumane and we don't like it. Basically, because they don't like it, they want it outlawed. And that's all they need to do. Pay off some politicians and get it outlawed.
She went out there about 10 seconds later. She comes back and she goes.
Yeah, she's 67 pounds. She's not a little dog.